Today I'll be showing you 2 World War II items I just picked up at an auction. On the left here is some kind of a tool bag. I paid $4 for it. It has a few tools inside. And the right here is a 1944 haversack. And we'll start with this one. Right on the inside here you can see a date 1944. This is actually a 1945 pack. You see you'll have instructions on the inside. M1945 pack. And it has a complete strap system attached to it. And on the bottom down here you attach the lower part of the pack. And right here, this will be where your shovel clips on. And your bayonet on the side here. Okay, now I'll be taking a look at this tool bag. I believe that this may be an old lineman's bag. I'm not sure though. See the little side pockets there. Same thing inside here. On the side, there's an area for storing tools or whatever. Same thing on this side. I didn't notice any dates on it or anything like that. And that was just a quick review on a couple of World War II items I just picked up at an auction. And once again, thanks for watching Following Outdoors.